is accountable when AI makes decisions. So, like for instance, suppose the AI decided that it's not going to hire someone. If that person is challenged, suppose there is some kind of audit and that person is challenged, you think you can say, ChatGPT is the reason why we never hire you? You think you can go to the Ministry of Labor and say,
Minister.
So the point is there needs to be accountability. And when we talk about accountability, what that means is that it's always good practice to have some human who signs off on the work that is being done by the AI. So all of these ethical principles need to be in place. Fairness, transparency, accountability, all of these things need to be in place for there to be, if you want to call it, ethical AI.